this is actually cute. Business at the front, party in the back. It kind of looks like a pajama. I don't know. Ooh, I don't like this material. Hey. Love it. Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a try on clothing haul with Missguided. I haven't tried on any of the pieces and I thought I'll try them on for the first time on video and give you my honest feedback on each outfit slash piece. So yeah, I haven't tried any on except this jumper dress. I really like it, but when I do relax it does kind of fall down. So it kind of has to be like a one shoulder thing rather than a two shoulder thing because it kind of falls down if I relax sometimes. That's the length. I'm 5'4" by the way, for reference. I probably prefer it as an actual cropped jumper with some jeans rather than a dress. The mirror's just here if I keep looking over here. But yeah, it's too long on me to wear by itself. It would have been cute as an actual jumper. I love the color though and the cable knit detail. It's just a bit long and unflattering on my body. Let me put the camera down a bit. By the way, my mum put this white blind in her new bedroom and I was like, I'm using that for videos and photos. So yeah, this is the fit. If you like this kind of thing, I don't think it's very flattering on me. I do like it, but I don't. I like the color, the material, I like the off shoulder, and I like the baggy sleeves, but I don't think I'll ever pick this up to actually wear. Maybe if I added a belt or something. Ooh, 7 out of 10 for this piece. I'm just gonna go through the rack. I have this bodysuit. I'm not a big fan of bodysuits. I'm just lazy and I'm also the kind of girl that has to pee a lot, and whenever you go to the toilet with these on, it's like a lot of work to like take it off, you know? Too much information. But I wanted to try out a black plain turtleneck with a high neck because I think that's a really great staple to have in winter, and it also helps when you're wearing jeans for the top to not bunch up, because if you're wearing it tucked in it can like bunch up, but with a bodysuit it obviously stays in place. So I'll try that on, and then I also picked up some jeans. These are the jeans. I'm not sure if they're gonna fit me. It's always like a guessing game with jeans whether I'm a 6 or an 8. Jeans are just so hard to find the right fit. I'm either a 6 or an 8, usually a 6, but some brands they just make the 6 so tight in the wrong places, like the thighs and the butt. It's got a super big rip detail, so we'll see what they look like on. Guys, I am so happy with these. Oh, I just kicked my cat, I'm sorry. I'm so happy with these pieces. Oh my god, I love this bodysuit. I'm probably gonna be obsessed with bodysuits now. I literally don't own any, and this one is just so, it feels so luxe even though it was really affordable. I like the material and the fit, and I like that it's gonna stay nice and sleek because it's like nice and locked in down there. These jeans, I was not sure if they were gonna fit because I can never tell by looking at jeans. I'm always like, oh, the waist looks tiny or whatever, but the waist is perfect on these. I like the material, it's quite thin, so it's like flexible. It's the perfect length, true to size, not too tight around the waist. It could be a bit tighter on the waist, but it's fine, it's not noticeable. Love the color of these, and the rip is really cool as well. Love it! I've got a few jackets that I can throw on over this outfit that I'll show you. I wanted like a plain white overthrow shirt. This one's the oversized self-button detail denim shirt. I don't know if it suits this outfit, and yeah, I'm just not sure about the fit. I feel like it'd be cool if it was cropped or like tucked in or something like that. It's got those buttons that you just click in. I'm just trying to see how I could style this. I think because it's white it's throwing me off, because I do have a shirt like this that's like corduroy and khaki, but I'm not sure. It's like a light denim material, so it's kind of like a denim jacket. I'm just not sure if I could pull it off. Let me know what you think or what I could style this with. We've got this oversized herringbone cocoon coat. Interesting name. It looks massive. It's this mint color and it's got kind of stripy detailing on it. Let's try it on. It is winter here in Australia, by the way, so this feels nice and cozy right now. I actually don't mind this. I thought it was gonna look quite weird, but it is like a good amount of oversized. I really do like wearing oversized kind of dad vibes looks. One of my big style inspos is Hailey Bieber, and I feel like she could wear something like this. She always wears like really oversized coats with jeans. This outfit isn't bad, it's different. With some black boots, cute. That's the detailing close up. I kind of like it. I have to show you guys the shoes they sent. These heels are the cutest, and I've been after ones like this for a while, but like quilted fabric, and they're so comfy as well, and I feel like they go with something like this. It's like a cute little chic streetwear vibe. They're really comfy and they're a good height. I'm actually really vibing this coat now. I didn't think I would, but I kind of love it. Next, we've got this Petite Cord Longline blazer in stone. I've been after a blazer this color. I feel like the look I was going for was something way more oversized and like street style, cool vibes, but it kind of just looks like a work shirt or something you'd wear to like a work interview because it's a bit more fitting. I do like the color. I'm not sure about the material. I'm not a fan of this kind of material. It's, I don't know what it's called, like that sheeny kind of cheaper material. I don't think I'll be wearing this, but my mum might want it. Yeah, it's not the look I was going for. I was probably going for a more dad fit blazer, maybe a thicker, warmer material. This is like that thin, slippery material, if you know what I mean. Yeah, the only thing I like about this is the color. I think it's a no from me. Alright, we've got a light coat here. It needs an iron, so just ignore that, but it's a light grey colour. It's that same material as the blazer. I'm not a fan of it, but I do like the style of this. It's super long, it's just above my ankles. This is nice. Again, I would probably size up on this, but I do like the colour. I don't really have a coat this colour, but it's one of those things that you need to iron because it gets really crinkly, because this material gets really crinkly and creased easily. But I like it with this outfit. I like these colours together. I took the bodysuit on and tried on this fluffy cardigan. It does feel really nice and soft. I didn't realise the buttons were this big when I was looking at it online, but I was planning to wear it with some high-waisted jeans and tuck it in. I'm just not sure if I like the massive buttons. I like everything else, it's just the buttons that are throwing me off. Let me know what you guys think. Cute or not cute? It's like a nice creamy colour, super soft, but I'm just not sure if it suits me or if I'll wear it. Okay, so I was after an oversized white shirt. Again, just like cool streetwear vibes. And I saw this one and it was like called super extreme oversized, so I got an 8, but I should have just got like a 12 because this is kind of like a normal work shirt. So the back is kind of cool, it's just not practical because you can't wear a bra, and yeah, I don't know, it's cool, but I don't know. Maybe if I tuck it in a bit. I don't know, it's kind of cool, I kind of like it. And I want to show you these heels. They're the same as the black ones I showed you, but this really nice tan colour. Love, I've been looking for ones like these, so thank you, Missguided. So heels like that with this outfit might be cute. Yeah, these heels go well with this little outfit. Wear or tear? It's like business at the front, party in the back. Okay, I love knitted jumper dresses, but it's always hard to find one that actually looks flattering and isn't too long or isn't too baggy. I actually quite like this. I looked at it and I was like, it's gonna look a bit boring and like a bit baggy, but I love the cable knit detail and the high neck. It's really warm and it's good quality. It's just a nice knit and it's perfect length on me. I feel like this is a great basic to have if you don't know what to wear to like a winter dinner or just a little winter outfit, but you want to look a bit more dressy. The only thing is I don't know what to do with this long bit that comes out of the belt. Oh, I think the belt's detachable, so you can put your own belt, which is good. With some long boots and a little bag. Cute. Alright, this is the last piece. It's just a t-shirt dress. I've been planning to do a video where I recreate Hailey Bieber's outfits, and I was looking for a plain white t-shirt dress because that's what she wears in one of the outfits that I'm recreating. I feel like it's hard to pull these off just by themselves because it kind of looks like a pajama, but I think with the right accessories like some long boots and a jacket, it could look cute. This is the print that's on it. It's just got these two hands. Like, I'll go get the jacket that I was planning to style it with. I don't know, it's a bit longer than this jacket that I had planned to style it with. But we'll see when the overall look is complete. Keep an eye out for my Hailey Bieber video and photos that I'll be posting. If it was a bit shorter, like there. Oh, I forgot there's one more set that I need to try on. You should mat, leg mat, and mat. You know what's been stuck in my head all day? Can't get it out. Alright, lastly we have this tie-dye set. I don't think they had an option for extra small, so this is a small in the pants and jumper, and the pants are quite massive around the waist. I can tighten it with the drawstring, but it's just super baggy and unflattering on my butt. I like tie-dye and I like the blue. This is probably something I would definitely just wear at home though. Alright, that's the end of the haul. I'll be quick because my camera's going to die. Thank you so much to Missguided for gifting me these pieces. I think my favourite piece were the jeans. I'll definitely be wearing them the most. I love the cut and the fit of them. They're super comfy and just really cool. Let me know what your favorite outfit was. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Instagram for more fashion and styling, and let me know what videos you want to see me do next. Love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.